Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add GitHub to Discord. So basically what you want to do is go to your browser, go to your GitHub profile, so click on this in the top right hand corner, then click on your repositories. So once you're there, just need to click on your repository and click on settings right here, and now go to Webhooks here on the left corner. Once you're done with that, go back to Discord, then we'll set our webhooks. So first what you want to do is go to your user settings. Then scroll down a little till you see, my bad guys, you need to go to server settings instead of user settings. So here's the server settings right here, click on that. Then go to integrations right here. Then click on create webhook. So once you're done with that, click on this and let's change it to like GitHub. Once you're done with that, click on save changes. Then you need to copy the webhook URL. Once you're done with that, go back to the GitHub website, click on the add webhook, just like so. Then just need to paste the one that you copied and make sure to add a /GitHub at the end of the URL. Then on the content type, make sure that this set to application/JSON. Then here, click on send me everything right here. After that, with that, you just need to click on add webhook, and you are good to go. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you on the next one.